Well, I came up with this idea to keep this battery lasting longer, but then I got to thinking this could be dangerous to run a charge into this battery, an older battery, on a hot day with these products that come from Amazon. I wonder if this is a good idea to do or not. This particular model is a few years old. It does, looks like it's 2.6 with a decimal over amp hours, or 2600 milliamp hours at 5 volts. So that's the capacity of the battery, and it doesn't last maybe like an hour at high speed, not even that. This particular model, but I noticed the new one out there is 10 amp hours, so it's probably 4 times bigger, so maybe it would last long enough, 3-4 hours. I would need this contraption, so I ordered one of the newer models, but I'm curious if this is safe. I'm doing these packs. This is a pretty neat little contraption I found on Amazon too, that takes the DeWalt 20 volts DC, and this battery is at 1.7 amp hours at 20 volts, and it takes it and puts it down to the 5 volt DC. It has both the newer, both USB and what is that, USB 2 or whatever the hell it is, but I should know that. But I'm using the PowerStack battery, which is a lightweight battery, and these seems to pretty good so far. We just got these, and I'm thinking this, at 20 volts, it's, what is it, 4 times bigger too, or whatever. I'll have to do the math on that. So it's probably a waste of time to do it, because you could order one of these with a bigger battery now. But I thought I'd still show this video, and I'm curious if this would be safe to use, dumping charge into an older battery. And my thinking is it's probably not that safe. But curious what people think.